Let us study one more example of single bond, that is the formation of chlorine molecule. The molecule of chlorine is formed due to two atoms of chlorine getting together. It is also a diatomic molecule. The electronic configuration of chlorine is 287. It needs only one electron to form an octet and achieve the electronic configuration of argon, that is 288. So here we have shown two atoms of chlorine with 7 electrons in the valence shell. This also has got 7 electrons. Now each chlorine will share 1 electron each. So if they share 1 electron each, then they can establish octet in their respective shells and achieve the state of stability. So here 1 electron is given by this chlorine and 1 electron is coming from this chlorine. So one pair of electron is being shared. It is shown in the overlapping region here. Since one pair of electron is shared between the two atoms of chlorine, it is going to be a single bond. So if you count, it comes out to be 8 electrons each. Here we have 2, 4, 6 and 8. Again here for the other chlorine, 2, 4, 6 and 8. This is a dot structure. Chlorine, 7 electrons have been shown. Another atom of chlorine with 7 electrons. Both share 1 electron each. So you have to draw the circle now. So you will take these two which are the shared ones and the remaining 6 that the chlorine is left with. Same way, the two which are the shared here plus the remaining 6 of this atom. So the second circle. And now since only one pair of electron is being shared between the two atoms, you will draw one single line and one line indicates a single bond. So it is chlorine, chlorine, single bond. So we have studied 4 examples in which we have covered single bond, double bond and triple bond. We will stop here and tomorrow we will continue with the remaining part of the lesson. Thank you.